Hi, I'm Bill Kesterkey with Key Exteriors, and I'm actually standing in front of my home, which was a ranch home built in 1957, was pretty plain. Well, after living in the home a couple years, I decided to remodel it. One of the products that we changed out on my home was the complete exterior envelope, which includes the sidewalls, the softened fascia, which is the direct connection between the roof and the sidewalls. We changed all that out. We want the products that were more energy efficient, maintenance free. We combined a stone siding with a nice trending dark blue siding on top of that with white trim. And we covered all our soffits and fascia, okay, with a new maintenance free product. What this did was, it makes the outside of my home completely maintenance free. If you'd like to find out more about how you can update the look on the exterior of your home and make it maintenance free, contact us at 492-8062 or go to our website at keyexteriors.com, fill out a form and send it in. One of our friendly representatives will come to your home, give you a no obligation quotation and see if there's something we could do to help you.